Assurance wireless phones can experience no service, device malfunctions like freezing or battery drain, and app problems. No service is often due to SIM card issues or network congestion. First, check your signal strength in Settings or use the Assurance Wireless app. Check your signal strength in Settings. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh connection. Or manually select Verizon as your network in Settings under Network and Internet. For device malfunctions like freezing or battery drain, try a soft reset. Hold power and volume down buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. Ensure your phone's firmware is up to date via Settings, System Update. App issues like crashes can be resolved by clearing the app's cache or data or reinstalling. To do this, go to Settings, Apps, find the app, and clear cache or data. Always back up your data before performing any resets. If basic troubleshooting fails, contact Assurance Wireless support at 1-888-898-4888. AI is increasingly integrated into support via chatbots, offering 24/7 diagnostics for no-service issues. Future trends include more durable, eco-friendly phones, improved rural coverage via 5G expansion, and hybrid connectivity. Apps will continue to enhance troubleshooting, potentially with gamified interfaces or even VR simulations. Stay updated on app security enhancements and consider recycling old phones through Assurance Wireless programs.